Can we just say, stay tuned, but the F450 is just looking fresher than ever. Corvette's looking good too. Still haven't done a big reveal video on the Corvette. We'll get to that, but let's get the Excursion in here. We got Eric from Eric's Everything Auto in here. He's gonna help us with whatever our shenanigans are gonna be today.
The truck's looking good, the Corvette's looking good. How am I looking?
Oh, you're looking better than ever. Yeah, he actually got to enjoy the F350 all weekend.
On the way home and the way back.
Yeah, on the way home and then the way back to the shop. But I did tell him he could drive it all weekend if he wanted to. Yeah.
Much work to do, man.
Yeah. So, all right, let's get the Excursion in here and actually see if it fits. I think it's gonna be close. I might have to pull that over.
I would definitely bet 10 out.
I think we're good. I think we got just enough room.
This is enough. Measure it down my feet. Okay.
Good to go. Wait, I'm the editor.
Yeah, you are the editor.
Probably help if I had the key.
Oh, there's something for you to edit.
Editor, play that back.
Oh, there's something for you to edit.
Editor, play that back. Okay, so that one I went into a lot longer than the first one. Just because I couldn't stop laughing in there, the fact that I was doing it in a limousine. Oh, man.
Holy crap, look at this food.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, it looks like a straight fire rolling out of here.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. I ended up having kind of a little bit of a cold for the last week, and kind of took my voice away, as you could tell by when I purchased the limo video. My voice was pretty well out of it. I actually did some recording the other day that we're actually going to redo because my voice sounds absolutely terrible, and I didn't want to put the video out there sounding like that, so I figured I'd just redo everything. But today we are squatting the limo. That's right, I do have a Rough Country joining on board with a lift kit on this thing. We're gonna actually do an F350 lift kit for this vehicle because of the weight of the vehicle. Rough Country and I kind of crunched some numbers, we figured some things out, and because of the weight difference and everything of this vehicle being extended, being huge, I think F350 is gonna be the right spring rates and everything that we need to get where we need to be and where we wanna be for this vehicle. So again, we went for a diesel 6.0 F350 lift kit for this thing, and I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty big, it's pretty gnarly, and I'm excited to say the least. So without further ado, huge shout out to Rough Country for sponsoring this video. We're gonna go ahead and get the limousine in here, and I'm gonna start tearing into the front end. So today I wanna be able to get this thing squatted and be able to drive this thing home and just really start enjoying this limo. Now, I know a bunch of you, it might be kind of a controversial topic whether squatting is cool or not, but we're gonna squat it, and I just wanna see if we can be the world's first squatted limousine. So let's get it in here and get it start torn apart. So this lift kit is super simple. We are doing dual shocks on the front of it that we had on the F350 here. So this basically unbolts here, and then it's basically a bolt here, You bolt on this side, drops it out, pulls the leaf spring out, put the new leaf spring in. Super simple setup on these things, and we do have extended brake lines. So we have to do the extended brake lines also. But let me keep plugging and chugging here, and maybe I'll give you a sneak peek here. Oh boy, let's plug and chug. why, but this is all I'm seeing in my future. Bomb, 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 bomb. So obviously we've got this one down on its own weight. We're gonna start going up here. So I figured I'd pause and just start the GoPro going. But this thing is going to be massive to say the least. And I love this thing. So huge shout out to Eric, Everything's Auto. Definitely check him out. He came up here and gave me a hand doing this. I mean, I could have done it by myself, but I'm beat. And having him here definitely was a huge help. So thank you. And definitely go check him out. Let's get this wheel tossed on. I'm freaking pumped. I'll pick back up in the morning. See you outside. Okay, back to the pod. Oh my goodness, is this thing huge? And I am freaking excited to say the least. Let's get it out back here into the farm, and I guess it's time to show you guys. Sorry about any smudges there. I don't know what's on the screen. Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm cutting. That's gonna be the perfect footage that I need to do that intro. Good morning and welcome to the channel. There it is. That thing is freaking epic, to say the least. Holy cow, the sun is hitting that front bumper just right to make it absolutely gorgeous. Now you guys will see me drive this around for quite some time here. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna leave it like this, but man, oh day, do I approve. Now this thing is huge. A bunch of people wanted to know kind of specs on this thing. I'm not sure if I went over them in this video or in a later video that you're gonna see, one of the two, but I'm sure whoever watches this video might not watch the next video, so I'll say it twice. So this is the V10. I think it's a 6.2 liter Triton V10. It's the Ford gas engine. I was thinking about getting a diesel one, but you couldn't find it. Super hard to come by. But I also wanted just a regular excursion. I did not actually want a limousine, but I mean, when the deal was there, I had to buy it. Plus I knew, as soon as I seen this, I knew it was gonna make great content, and I knew I had to do it. So here it is. Here's my 36-foot squatted limousine that I absolutely am in love with. So I'm gonna go out. It needs fuel, so I'm gonna go fuel this thing up, try to get some reactions. If not, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the end of the video. Again, we're gonna change the roof on it, so if you see me driving around and the roof's waving to you, just wave back to it. It really appreciates it, and so do I. Also, the kids are absolutely enjoying this build and loving this build, which makes me then start to think about some things that are going on in my life, and I want to incorporate my kids a lot more with some of my builds. So look for some things to get shifted and some things to get changed. You're also going to see the F350 go through a change here very, very soon, but I'm excited. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys love the squatted excursion, or is it something that you guys just absolutely hate? So let me know in the comment section. We will see you guys in an upcoming video. I might back up here and try to do a burnout in the mud. There's definitely not enough room here. Plus it's super choppy and hoppy. Definitely too choppy and hoppy up in the back farm here to do any kind of crazy drifting or anything with this thing, because it would probably roll over. So we're not going to do anything too crazy on this property here with this thing. But stay tuned. I did talk to but stay tuned, because I did talk to Roush Creek, and that might be an idea to come. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.